My name's Tim Coleman. I'm the president of Southern Hydro Vac here in Atlanta, Georgia. We've been able to grow our business here in Atlanta, working for contractors and municipalities, doing a lot of work for Georgia Power and Southern companies and other utility owners. I got in this business back in January of 2000, thinking it might be a good business. Well, now I know it's a great business. I love this business. I love helping people. We even get to save lives working with trench rescue teams. We use Hydrovac trucks that are manufactured by Hydrovac Inc. They are a premium Hydrovac truck builder as far as I'm concerned. They build them tough, they build them simple, they put them on industrial vacuum trucks, and it gives us the power to dig very deep holes. Back when I got in this business in 2000, there was equipment breaking every day, trying out different brands of equipment, and when we settled on Hydrovac trucks, it was a great decision. Hydrovac is using the right parts. They use he-bone blowers, which are we've never had to rebuild a blower that we didn't tear up, and we use giant pumps on our hydro excavators. We use U-rocker pumps on our flush truck. Everything we've got is taking good care of us. We never lose our vacuum, and it's always as strong as it can be. On most of our work, we have done very hard jobs. We work here in this Georgia clay. It's the hardest to dig in. It's all about taking very good care of these trucks. So we have a full-time day mechanic and a full-time night mechanic where we're able to achieve that zero downtime. Out here on Highway 78 in DeKalb County, Georgia, we're helping Muscular Survey and CERM Engineering prepare some as-built for existing underground utilities for a water line replacement project. The trucks you see, we are using those to expose existing utilities so the survey company can measure them and get a horizontal and vertical location of those lines so that they can design the installation of the new water line around it. Most of the time this work was done in the construction phase, and they would run into surprises with the location of these lines, and getting us out ahead in the design phase allows them to design their way around it and to make the efficiency of the construction project itself faster, safer, and less expensive. But what we're doing is, of course, we're providing traffic control. We're saw cutting the pavement and jackhammering it out of the way. Then we hydro excavate down to the hole, expose that existing utility. Utility survey is documenting the location of that line. Then, of course, we're backfilling it and repairing the surface. This line, this particular section of the project required us to dig 36 holes, a lot of them in the road, a lot of them out in the right-of-way off to the side of the road in the grass. And this provides them a safe and an economical way of getting this process of the project done. There's no mistakes. There's no lines being hit because they're as-built and everybody knows where they are. Like I said, it makes it a safer, more efficient project. This is one of our Hydrovac's HV56 hydro excavators. As you can see, it's a baghouse filter truck. It's got a 5300 CFM blower on it. It's very strong, does a lot of good work and a lot of nasty work. Today we're working at a water reclamation treatment facility where this is a grit chamber building. We're working inside cleaning these grit chambers out. What you end up with is this as sewage comes into this plant, it's screened, and all your paper and organic material like that is filtered out of the system. But what gets into the grit chamber, of course, is grit. So you've got the sewage flowing through it, you've got this grit chamber catching the grit. Of course, what we're here doing today is cleaning the grit out. Let's take a walk inside and look at this. Right down here is where we're accessing it. We clean the whole thing from one end to the other, and like I say, we'll come in and do one every quarter to maintain maintain the cleanliness of this machine that they have installed in here. But what we do, we take and vacuum from the truck up down in these holes. We vacuum this material. These holes are almost 30 foot deep, and as strong as our trucks are, of course this is a short pull, it's only about 50 feet, but we're able to vacuum this material up, and we use high pressure water to blast on that grit and separate that material, which helps us move the material. In the hydro excavators or air machines, this is called an air mover. What moves that material is either water or air. So those are your two tools for moving material through these lines. And in this case, this material is already wet, so of course we're using a lot of water. But it's a very efficient way to get this stuff cleaned out of here. We got a great service to offer Atlanta and the Southeast. We work all over the Southeast for our customers, and thank goodness for them, we're able to maintain taking care of 23 families, and we're still growing. So we're a good, solid American company, and we hire American workers, we buy American trucks, and we're awfully proud to be able to say that.